Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your iPhone runs iOS 16 or later and supports lock screen widgets. That's essential. Once verified, make sure the Batteries widget exists in the widget gallery or that you have a shortcut providing battery info. Now, long press the lock screen to enter edit mode. Tap Customize, then pick a lock screen layout that allows widgets. You're initiating the only way, adding a widget directly to the lock screen, so proceed to choose the exact battery. You tap the widget area beneath the clock to open the widget gallery. This is the core action. Once the gallery appears, scroll or search for batteries. If it's not visible, open shortcuts and create a battery reporting widget or enable the Batteries widget from home screen options. Tap the Batteries widget to add it, then drag to reposition. Once placed, tap Done to save. Make sure the widget displays device battery and paired accessory levels so you see what matters at a glance. You finish by tapping Done and locking the screen to confirm the battery widget appears and updates. If the widget is blank or shows stale data, restart your iPhone and re-add the widget. That often forces the system to refresh. If paired accessory percentages are missing, make sure Bluetooth is on and accessories are connected, then check relevant permissions in settings. If problems persist, toggle the widget off and back on or update iOS. Those steps address most remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.